It's the middle of August and I've just made my third picking of elderberries. Here's what we got. But this is by far the biggest picking so far. I use elderberries when I make my wine. I boil them up, then I add them to the grape must before I do the primary fermentation. And I love the elderberries because elderberries are good for you and they give a lovely color to the wine. So I just looked on YouTube for how to de-stem elderberries and I didn't see my idea. Everything looked to be way more time consuming and complex. So here's what I do. I put them in the freezer. So I'm just putting them in a bag so it'll fit in the freezer. There's not a lot of room in the freezer right now. Follow me down to the basement. Okay. Let's follow me down to the basement. This is a lot of elderberries, so I'm going to leave them a couple of days to freeze solid, and then I'll show you how they come off. Okay, the elderberries have been in the freezer for a couple of days. They're frozen solid. Can't mess about too much because they're small and they fall. This is the largest amount of elderberries I've ever done at one time. Now it's just a question of picking out as much as you can, putting them into 1 gallon bags, then put them in the freezer for when I make wine. I add them to my Concord grapes to give color and goodness. So thanks for watching.